The word we'll be learning in this section is nikki, which you will often hear in casual conversations when talking about writing down your daily events or experiences. The word nikki means a diary, journal, or log. It's something where you note down experiences, thoughts, or events happening in your daily life. The first kanji means sun and day, and it also marks dates. You can see it in Nihon, where it gives the idea of the sun, and in Kino, where it marks a specific day. The second kanji means to record or write down, and it often shows up in words about keeping records. For example, kiroku uses it for a kept record, and kisha uses it for a person who writes reports. I write a diary every day. 毎日日記を書きます。毎日日記を書きます。I already wrote it in yesterday's diary. 昨日の日記にすでに載せた。昨日の日記にすでに載せた。I have made it a habit to keep a diary every day. 毎日日記を取ることにしています。毎日日記を取ることにしています。I read The Secret Diary. 秘密日記を読んだ。秘密日記を読んだ。The most common synonyms of the word nikki are shuki and memo. Shuki means a personal account, often more formal or reflective. Memo means a note, usually for brief thoughts or reminders. The most common antonyms of the word nikki are kyoku and bolkaku. Kyoku means memory, referring to what we remember without writing it down. Bolkaku means forgetting, which is the act of not remembering things.